Hey guys, what's going on? Hey guys, what's going on? It's That Home Theater Dude. We're at CEDIA 2022 checking out the Theory audio design booth as well as the Pro audio technologies. You guys gotta check this stuff out. It's super cool. I'm super excited about it. Let's check it out.
Hey Chris, I'm Mark Goldman, VP of Sales for Pro and Theory. I'm going to give you a walkthrough about what we're doing and why it's different. So we're going to start with Theory. So Theory, we're using professional grade drivers, but designed really for high-end residential use. So these speakers are capable of high dynamic range, high sensitivity, and we have remarkable resolution. So we have 3 sound bars, 65, 75, and 85 inch. We use these exact drivers inside of our SB25 speaker, which can be a freestanding speaker or an on-wall speaker. And we have various mounts to be able to hang it in any capacity you'd like. Follow me over here if you would. We have this exact same speaker available as an in-wall loudspeaker, which goes in a 2x4 wall, has a metal grill and a fully sealed back box. We also make what we consider to be the world's best in-ceiling speaker. It's a 6-inch carbon fiber driver with a compression dome driver, high dynamic range, 120 degrees dispersion. We can put this loudspeaker inside of our pendant enclosure and it becomes world's best pendant loudspeaker. We have our in-wall Theory subwoofer. It's a 12-inch high-efficiency professional driver with 1,400 watts of power handling capability. We take this same driver and baffle, and we can offer it in this alternate enclosure, 12 inches by 9 by 30 inches. We can fly this, hang it on a wall, place it behind a couch, wherever it makes sense. We also offer 2 in-room subwoofers for Theory, 12-inch and 15-inch. And all of our speakers require our amplifiers. We make a 7.2 channel amp for home theater. We make a 4 channel amp for distributed audio and some higher powered 4 channel amplifiers as well. These amplifiers will also work with our Pro loudspeaker systems, which we'll go visit over here. Oh. So Pro is designed for the large stretched fabric rooms. These have higher output and higher resolution than the Theory systems. Here's our 28-212 speaker, designed to go into a 6-inch deep enclosure. Fits between a standard stud bay. Very high sensitivity, 102, 106, and 108 dB, capable of over 130 dB of output. It'll reproduce Dolby reference level at over 73 feet away. We also make smaller speakers that will go inside 2x4 walls. And we have a 12-inch two-way speaker, 7.5 inches deep. So Pro has a whole wide range of speakers designed to go into 2x4 or 2x6 walls and larger enclosures and can fill any size room that you require. Thanks so much.
Know how much you miss him, I can see how far you fell.
Wondering why would I switch to a surround system than play stereo, right? It doesn't make any sense. But typically when a loudspeaker brand such as us steps you through their different models and ranges, what they're trying to show you is the difference between them. We're actually trying to accomplish the exact opposite. We're trying to show you the similarities between all the models and the consistent sound from the ceiling speaker to the in-wall speaker to the surface mount speaker to the pendant and now the soundbar. So we wanted to play something to be played on the other models so you can see how similar it is. So very lively dynamics, spot on timbral accuracy, and just a uniform of sound across the range. So now we will play a short movie clip.
Okay, I'll break you on the next turn,
Is that a cat?
Yeah, they're just
once they get a haircut. So anyway, everything is being powered, including the subs, by the ALC 18009 9-channel loudspeaker controller. So we can do 7.2 or 5.2.2 in the one U box. This particular loudspeaker controller has two software interfaces. It has one that is kind of an engineering level, bunch of parametric filters, graphs, and some charts and stuff like that. But then the other one is called Automator, which automatically configures the surround sound system for you, so you don't have to do it. So all you need is a tape measure to deploy a system. You just enter into the software the distance from the speakers to the money seat, the distance from the speaker to the room boundaries, and then we set the levels, we set the delays, we do all the bass management, we do all the signal routing and amplifier bridging automatically inside the ALC, and then all you have to do in the surround processor is configure it for the surround mode to the code. In this case, we would configure it for 5.2.2, and then set all the speakers to large, and you're done. So, all right, we're gonna give the Pro some love now. Everybody in the room know what Pro is. I think you all do, right? The multi-award-winning 28-12 AI loudspeaker. Adam, pay attention. You're gonna like these. This actually won the CE Pro Best Product Award on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, and then yesterday, Sound and Vision also gave it the Editor's Choice Award. They only gave out 12 awards in the show. We won 2 of them. So this speaker looks pretty much like a normal speaker. It has a bunch of drivers bolted into the box. It doesn't look that special, but there's a ton of features in here that may not be obvious that make it, I think, that helped us earn the award. So it's first and foremost, think of it as just a very full range loudspeaker. It goes down to 22 hertz on the bottom end, goes up to 23 kilohertz on the top end, but it's only 6 inches deep, so it's only that deep. One of the unique features about this is you can also think of it as a subwoofer. So, for example, in the loudspeaker controllers, we have bass management built in, right? Which is how we did the bass management in that system you just heard. So we can redirect the bass from a local small speaker, like say this Atmos pendant here, into the woofer section of the 28-12. We can also mix LFE into the woofer section of the 28-12. It looks like a big PA speaker that's going to sound obnoxious, but we're actually proved that that's not the case. They sound like high-end audio, hi-fi speakers. We're going to play the Grandma's Blues cut. You know, hopefully it's loud enough to overcome that. Certainly these will be, but I don't know about this one. So anyway, that's to demonstrate the hi-fi nature of it, that they don't sound like PA speakers. And then we're going to have a party down here. So get ready.
Know how much you miss him, I can see how far you fell. But try to see it from a different point of view. His face
is electrified because of this one creature.
I know. Please, yeah.
All right. So I've been around this stuff for a while. I even have the Theory Audio Design 5.1 system in my house right now. But the pro side of it, the pro audio technologies, we just heard those, freaking incredible, right? So they may not be everyone's cup of tea with the way they look, but they are freaking incredible to the sound. So highly recommend you guys check those things out. If you guys want to, contact your local dealer. Links down in the description if you want to buy these things. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.